What's going on, guys? Just wanted to give you guys a little update here. Just 2 seconds ago, it was sunny as fuck outside. Rainy. I mean, not rainy, but fucking beautiful as hell. Now, it's raining hard as fuck. The wind is blowing superbly hard. And fucking clouds out there are getting dark as shit. And they're moving very quickly. Sounds like a fucking tornado or some shit. Got bags and shit blowing around the apartment. Like outside in the parking lot and shit. Fucking crazy. And I think I left my windows open. Ain't that a bitch? Fuck is up with this weather? Crazy shit. Brown bagging. What do you want to say, 100? It was brown bagging, now it's not. Son of a bitch. Damn it. Fucking camera. Get this camera straight real quick. Son of a bitch. God damn it. Fuck. Man. It's going hard out there. Coco. Coco. This fucking weather. Going from a steady drizzle to a hard ass fucking pour down with winds fucking. It's crazy out there. I was gonna make it out on this video out on the balcony, but that wind is blowing the fucking rain all in it. Oh. I don't know if you guys can hear the raindrops in the fucking wind, but it's bad. Terribly fucking bad. The reason I say this is because we really don't get that much, as many thunderstorms. We either just get rain or wind, but hardly ever thunderstorms. Don't laugh. Fuck you. Chilling in my bedroom, if you guys didn't notice already. You're gonna lay down and watch some TV if the power don't fucking go out. Fuck you. Damn it, man. This is the second boring video of the day. But I've seen the fucking rain and the wind. Makes the day sad. Whenever you got yourself a 40 of malt liquor, you're only 40 ounces away from fucking happiness. It's fucking crazy out there, huh? Almost done.
Come here.
Shut the door. Shut the door. You watching right now? If you've watched this far, keyword is monkey balls. Keyword is monkey balls. Let me find out who's watching. Let me find out. Hope we don't get no fucking tornadoes or anything like that. I'm a little bitch when it comes to stuff like that. Fucking tired. Like I said earlier, had to fucking get up early, go to work. And I usually go in for mid-shift. This morning was different. Cool. Swell, swell, swell. Well, I'm gonna go and enjoy this nasty fucking weather. Fuck you. Peace out.